way back in the day, when I would when I would do a heavy set of squats, truth be told, I still do it today. It's just this mind game that I play with myself. I would do a heavy set of squats or a heavy set of deadlifts or something, whatever this heavy set is going to be. And I'm like, all right, man, I need to do like 5 reps, 5 clean reps here, no matter what. I would have this little conversation in my head as I'm wrapping my knees. I always start with my left knee first and then my right knee. And then I, get under that, cinch up my belt, get under the bar, get a perfect grip, elbows down, and then unrack the bar, step back, and I'm going to do my 5 reps. Well, in my head, what I would say to myself is that, and this is even before I had any kids, before I was married, and I do it today, that I'm going to finish this and I'm going to make it look easy. These 5 reps are going to be super clean. And if I don't, then my future kids are going to get kidnapped. Then my future kids might get murdered. And I know that's a dark way to look at it, but I put my back against the wall metaphorically, and I would make it look easy. I would make that weight look easy. I would move it easily, and I would do 5 reps, and I'd be like, shit, I could probably do 6 or 7 still. And that mindset is still the mindset that I use. Like, I literally wake up every day and I just think to myself, this game that I play, that someone somewhere in a basement has this marker board that says how, at the very top of their marker board, it says how to put Bedros Keuilian out of business for good, right? So I'm thinking there's like someone out there, this evil doer who wants to put me out of business. They want to crush Fit Body Bootcamp. They want to destroy Keuilian supplements. They want to see Modern Day Night Project fail, Squire fail, my coaching business fail, like all these investments that I have fail. Someone wakes up with this intent to put me out of fucking business, and I go to battle every single day with that mindset. And when I go to battle with that mindset that someone is trying to put me out of business, even though I'm fucking wealthy and have properties and a ranch and cars and fly private and do all these fucking things that I do, I still operate with that immigrant edge mentality. And so I'm asking you, what is it going to take for you to operate from that place? You don't have to go to another country broke and start in a Section 8 housing complex to put your back against the wall. You could literally play that game like I just gave you 2 great examples, one in the gym and one in business. And when you play that game with yourself and you're like, fuck this, I get myself all worked up. I get myself so worked up that someone's trying to put me out of business. I really believe this is why we survived and thrived out of the pandemic, is because when that fucking pandemic hit and when I saw our Fit Body Bootcamp locations shutting down, I was like, you know what? Fuck this. Fuck this. The fucking corona is not the virus. I am the fucking virus. I will put corona out of business. I will put this fucking virus out of business. I will kill the virus. I will be the virus against the virus. And that is how you have to operate. And I remember slamming my fist at one of our leadership meetings about 3 months into the pandemic. And my leadership team is like, what the fuck? You're the virus and you're going to put the virus out of business? You are the virus that's going to kill the virus? Like, what the fuck are you talking about? And then boom, it clicked. They got it. That we need to go to battle against the virus. We can't just operate as business as usual. And that is a problem with most of you out there today. You operate as business as usual as though you are guaranteed to have good times. You are guaranteed that all marketing platforms will always be available, that you are guaranteed the cost of living will never go up, that you are guaranteed. And now, for years, I've told you guys that winter is coming, motherfuckers. Winter is coming. As Tony Robbins says, prepare for winter. Well, winter has come. Winter has come with that pandemic. Winter has come with that inflation. Winter has come with the recession and the depression that we're headed into. And you must operate like your back is against the wall, the immigrant mentality. And the way you do that is by having that no choice, to feel like you have no choice but to have this high level of work ethic.